Sundance is truly a cut above the rest. The fact that we have been owned and operated since 1974 gives us the expertise and knowledge to ensure your dining experience is the best money can buy. Our upscale yet relaxing lodge-like atmosphere provides that perfect setting for all occasions, including birthdays, anniversaries, reunions, and business dinners.
Sundance's house specialty for over 37 years is our aged prime rib. The slow-roasted prime rib is served complete with hot au jus, creamy horseradish, freshly steamed vegetables, and your choice of one of our delicious side dishes. We also feature aged USDA Prime-graded steaks. Our two most popular cuts are the filet mignon and the New York strip loin. Our award-winning wine cellar is stocked with over 350 selections favoring hard-to-find Napa Valley Cabernets. Let one of our managers assist you in choosing the best wine for your occasion.
Make Sundance your next dining choice.
We are conveniently located in Palo Alto on the El Camino Real across the street from Stanford University.
We look forward to seeing you at Sundance soon.
Cheers.
Cheers.